In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Etsy with QuickBooks Online. To get started, sign into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're inside the dashboard, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct company file, especially if you manage more than one business. This helps ensure your Etsy sales data is imported into the right set of books from the beginning. After logging in, go to the left-hand menu and open Accounting. In some QuickBooks layouts, you may also need to search under Apps if you don't immediately see the option you need. From there, click on Integration Transactions. This is the area where QuickBooks manages connected platforms and imported sales activity, so it's the right place to begin setting up your Etsy connection. Next, search for Etsy Connector by Intuit. When it appears in the results, select Connect Free Integration. If your screen looks a little different, that's okay. QuickBooks can update its interface from time to time, and I'm using a demo QuickBooks account, so some visuals may not match exactly. The important thing is to follow the prompts that appear after you choose the free integration option. Continue through the setup process, and when prompted, sign into your Etsy account. Make sure you're using the correct Etsy shop account before moving forward. Once you're signed in, click Grant Access. This gives the connector permission to share your Etsy data with QuickBooks, so your orders and related transaction details can begin syncing properly. After that, you'll be asked to choose a transaction start date. This determines how far back QuickBooks will begin importing historical Etsy orders. You can import up to 1 year of past order data, so choose the date carefully based on how much history you want to bring in. If you're setting this up for the first time, it can be helpful to think about your bookkeeping start date or the beginning of your reporting period. Next, configure your app settings. This part is important because it controls how your Etsy activity is recorded in QuickBooks. You'll choose things like how sales are created, how items are handled, and which income and expense accounts should be used. Take your time here because these settings affect how organized and accurate your records will be once the sync begins. When everything looks right, select Done to finish the setup. At that point, the integration will be connected, and QuickBooks will be ready to sync your Etsy transactions based on the settings you selected. And that's it. You've successfully connected Etsy to QuickBooks Online.